Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to post a story on Instagram using your PC or laptop. So first thing that you need to do is you have to go ahead and open your web browser and go to instagram.com. Now that you're here, make sure to log into your account. Okay, so as you can see in the home page, we cannot see an option where we can upload a story, but you can see the create option. So when we click on it, you can only post or live, but we don't need that. So all you have to do is to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on the more tools option, and then click on the developer tools. Okay, so you'd be able to see this developer tools right here. So now you can see the small icon right here, so you just have to click on it, and then you'll have the mobile version of the Instagram. So still we cannot see the option where we can upload our story, so all we have to do is to click on the refresh button right here at the top left, and after that, we have now the add story icon at the top. So when you click on this icon right here, you'd be able to see the post and stories. So just click on story and then go to your folder and select the file that you want to upload as your story. Okay, after that, just have to click on upload, and then let's just wait for a few seconds. And now that you're here, you can now add text to this um, picture or draw, or you can also add music or stickers. And after that, you just have to click on the add to your story option. Then just have to wait for a few seconds. And then after that, your story or your picture will be uploaded. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.